So the investment in general, we're seeing sort of coming about as the utilities see the need. So we're not seeing very many utilities investing in the digital side of things just for the sake of going digital, but we are seeing that they have other needs. So they may have needs like a need to expand their utility or a need to rehabilitate large parts of their utility or to run their operations better. And they're recognizing that using digital twins can help them do that a lot more effectively. So they're using the digital twins to make better decisions about what to do with the physical infrastructure, and they're finding that it's a lot more efficient and a lot more effective to do that.
Yeah, I agree. Whether it's across the whole life cycle, so whether it's designing, new infrastructure, and bringing water, to locations, or it's in existing facilities where they're looking to improve their operation. We see the whole gamut that way.
So there are a few different areas that digital technology can help with that. The first thing you have to do is you have to be able to know that you've got a problem. And so the combination of availability of technologies can really help with that, where we see a lot more sensors that are available. They're a lot easier to install, a lot more affordable. And so that becomes one source of data. But just using that data on its own only helps you if you're able to combine it with tools to recognize what that means and then also tell you what to do about it. So taking that data and being able to generate alerts based on it is the second part. And that again is where digital tools can really help you understand that the system is currently behaving outside of what it normally does. This may be because of this problem or that problem. And so you can understand what the cause of it is, and then being able to react to that so you can identify the different possible actions you could take, what the likely outcome is from that, and then based on that, make a better decision to use in the real world.
So we're helping utilities to be more prepared, but then also when there is an emergency, to be more resilient and to be able to have a faster response in a critical situation, especially when there are so many more climate incidents these days that we need to adapt faster.
So I think in the next 5 to 10 years, we're going to see digital twins become almost a standard of what's expected at these different utilities. We're seeing a lot of the utilities right now are the more progressive ones. They're early to adopt that technology. When other utilities see how much better they're able to operate because of it, we think it's going to become the standard. So right now, lots of utilities are using different engineering tools. Lots of utilities have a GIS system, SCADA systems, other sorts of data that they can work with, but not a lot of utilities have realized yet how much of a benefit there is to combine that. And we really think that's going to change in a big way in the next 5 to 10 years.
And interoperability is key. More and more uh, vendors, solutions are becoming more open. Their software, Bentley software, has been founded on that premise, on that foundation of being open and interoperable. So that's facilitating the digital twin essentially, which is breaking down the silos between all of these different systems. So it becomes the system of system that everyone has visibility to the data so they can make better decisions.